The LIVFRESH Dental Gel science is really exciting because they've figured out a way to break the molecular bond between the plaque and the tooth. So when they brush with this dental gel, the bond between the plaque and the tooth is broken, so the plaque just falls off the tooth. My name is Dr. Douglas Ralston, R-A-L-S-T-O-N. Been in practice for about 40 years, and I've been involved in Silicon Valley startup companies for about 15 years, really pretty exciting, and with Livionics 2.5, 3 years, maybe 3.5 years now, and was the initial advisor to the company. Did the initial testing for the product LIVFRESH, and very excited about it. The LIVFRESH Dental Gel science is really exciting because they've figured out a way to break the molecular bond between the plaque and the tooth. So when they brush with this dental gel, the bond between the plaque and the tooth is broken, so the plaque just falls off the tooth. Wow, I've been looking for something like that for 40 years, and here it is. LIVFRESH Dental Gel works because it breaks that molecular bond between the plaque and the tooth, and it's basically pretty simple. You get the plaque off the tooth, you get the disease-causing problem off the tooth, and that's the exciting part of it. The research conducted on LIVFRESH Dental Gel is what's exciting to me, because several universities now have done in-depth studies on it and proven that this product is up to 250% better than anything else on the market. And having worked in Silicon Valley startups now for 15 years, we've found that if a product is 20 to 25% better than the competition, that's a home run. But 250% better than the competition, that's out of the park. Because as I mentioned before, we dentists, we get up every morning and our full-time job is to fight the damage to our patients' oral health from bacterial dental plaque, cavities, root canals, tooth loss, bone loss, gum infection. That's our full-time job, is just to fight this one problem. I've seen, especially with gum disease, within a week, some of my patients are on LIVFRESH Dental Gel. They come back in a week and their gums are substantially improved in that short period of time, and that's pretty exciting. My hygienists have reported up to 75% reduction in tartar formation in between visits because of the gel. And that means that the cleaning is quicker, it's easier, and it's less painful for our patients. I've noticed within a week, it seems to clear up and improve. Bleeding seems to decrease a lot. Breath is fresher. LIVFRESH Dental Gel is safe to use, and that's exciting to me because even kids, our pediatric dentist says, kids swallow toothpaste, and they're not supposed to do that. On the tube of toothpaste it says, caution, if swallowed, call poison control. And these kids swallow that stuff anyway. So with LIVFRESH Dental Gel is edible and safe, and that's one of the things we really, really like about it. Huge impact on public health. As a matter of fact, I've got a call into the Surgeon General of the United States, and I want to talk to him about this as a public health product. You know, a lot of people can't afford dental care, and so if they can get the disease-causing plaque off their tooth, that's going to be a big savings for a lot of people. So I want to get the word out there and see if we can get that out to a lot of people. LIVFRESH Dental Gel is appropriate for all our patients, old patients, young patients, pediatric patients, orthodontic patients, mentally ill patients, autistic patients. It's good for everybody. That's one thing that's exciting about the product. They should be recommending it to all their patients and making sure their patients are using the best product on the market. Absolutely. And to try it and see the results for themselves, and the ones that have, you can see the testimonials. I think it's just been a real honor for me to be a part of this development. If I could finally do my last days of dentistry, bringing this product to market, and people benefit tremendously from it, I'm a very happy man.